So here's my mistake I need to fix. I want this to run on port 80. That's the web port. So I need to rebuild this. And to rebuild it, go OOS is going to be Linux. Go ARC is going to be AMD 64. And go build. And I'm just going to confirm that by looking at my GitHub code. Go OS is Linux. Go Arch is AMD 64. Cool, and now I need to copy that back up. So gcloud compute, secure copy, and I need to copy up Skyfall. Oh, I need to copy it to there. No such file or directory. pwd. Oh, I need to ls-la, and I built this. Where was I when I built this? It's called 87 website. Move 87 website to Skyfall. Now I could do that. Sweet, and now connect. And exit's pretty quick. I have something to figure out. Why is that exiting so fast? And did I change 87? Yeah. Yeah. All right, I'm going to do a little research.